miles an hour. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for portions of central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. For this afternoon and tonight, no hazardous weather is expected at this time. And now the extended outlook for the period Thursday through Tuesday. Additional accumulating snow for the entire coverage area is likely Friday and Friday evening. Total snow accumulations of 2 to 4 inches are expected. Another blast of cold air this weekend will bring overnight lows of 10 to 20 degrees below zero, with wind chills of 25 to 35 degrees below zero on Sunday and Monday. Spotter information statement. Skywarn spotter activation will not be needed. This is NOAA Weather Radio WNG685 in Norwood, Young, America, serving much of central Minnesota. Broadcasting on a frequency of 162.425 MHz. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Chanhassen. The current time is 12:57 p.m. Central Standard Time. At noon in Hutchinson it was sunny. It was 4 degrees, or minus 16 degrees Celsius. The dew point was -3. The relative humidity was 72%. The wind was west at 12 miles an hour. The wind chill was -12. The pressure was 30.35 inches and rising. In Litchfield it was fair. It was 7 degrees, or minus 14 degrees Celsius. The dew point was -2. The relative humidity was 66%. The wind was northwest at 12 miles an hour. The wind chill was -9. The pressure was 30.34 inches and rising. Around central Minnesota, at Olivia, it was cloudy with a temperature of 3. It was fair with a temperature of 5 at Glencoe, 10 at the Twin Cities, 9 at Eden Prairie, and 8 at Maple Lake. Under fair skies, Buffalo reported 8, Wilmer reported 1, Painesville reported 4, and St. Cloud reported 5. Around the state, at Redwood Falls, it was cloudy with a temperature of 4. It was fair with a temperature of 8 at Rochester, 11 at Duluth, and 8 at International Falls. Across the Dakotas, at Fargo, it was sunny with a temperature of -2. At Sioux Falls, it was cloudy with a temperature of 6. In Iowa, it was cloudy and temperatures were between 7 and 12 degrees. Once again at noon in Hutchinson, it was 4 degrees. The wind chill was -12. Under sunny skies. In Litchfield, it was 7 degrees. The wind chill was -9. Under fair skies. Now the forecast for central Minnesota, including Hutchinson and the southwest Twin Cities suburbs. Today, partly cloudy in the morning, then clearing. Highs around 11. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Tonight, partly cloudy. Lows around 5 below. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Thursday, decreasing clouds.
The National Weather Service in Chanhassen, Minnesota has just activated the warning alarm on 13 weather radio stations across central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. During dangerous weather situations, these specially built radios are automatically activated to warn for the hazard. Tests of these radios are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Chanhassen every Wednesday at 1 p.m. If severe weather threatens the area near the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the next good weather day. The warning alarm will be activated for selected watches, warnings, and statements affecting central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. This concludes the test of the warning system. We now return